Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we are going to take this orange color of square paper. You can see the measurement on the screen. Now cut 8 such pieces. After this, fold it and then we are going to paste it. Look how we are going to paste it in the alternate manner. You can see the white double-sided tape. Now paste colorful such papers and then put the ice cream sticks on both sides and it's ready. So take this red color of square paper and then make multiple folds like this. Now we're going to gently open it and make the W shape or M. Now make more such colorful shapes and paste all of them. Then paste the ice cream sticks on both sides and look, it is ready. We're going to cut these colorful circles. The diameter is 10 cm. Now we're going to make 20 such shapes and then we're going to paste all of them. Look how we are pasting it in alternate manner. We're going to put the double-sided tape like this and paste all these colorful semicircles one after another like we're doing here. Then finally put the hanging at the center and paste it as well. Open it and you will get this beautiful hanging. You can cut these colorful circles. First we are going to make the flower, so fold the paper like this and paste it using double-sided tape. Now we are going to cut 8 such colorful flower petals and paste all of them and make the flower. Now fold this green color of craft paper and make 2 sticks, paste it on both sides and look, your beautiful flower is ready. Here we're going to take this red color of craft paper, draw these lines on the top of it like we're doing here. After this we're going to fold the paper according to the line. Here we're going to make these diagonal creases on the top of it, look like this. Now we're going to gently press it from other side and you will get this beautiful C shape. Now make 2 such shapes and paste all of them, put a hanging at the center and paste it using double-sided tape and look, you will get this beautiful hanging. First we are going to cut 22 different color of circles. Now we are going to paste all of them. Look how we are pasting only one side of the circle together and make a ball like this. After this we are going to paste the frill at the center and look, your beautiful hanging is ready. We are going to take this blue color of craft paper, fold it from both its sides. Now we are going to cut it and make this triangular shape. When you open it, you will get this pentagon shape. After this, we are going to fold it from its corners. Here we are going to make the crease first. After this, we are going to hold the paper and we are going to flip it and we are going to press it from the center, look like this. After doing this, we are going to fold it. So flip the paper and keep folding it from the corners, look like this. Now we are going to hold it from the top portion and pull the paper downwards and keep folding it simultaneously. Now we are going to press it from the center and look, your double star origami craft is ready. You can adjust it by pulling it from the corners and look, it is done. Thank you so much for watching this video.